So hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video. So guys, today we discuss about the Graph coin. After great community collaboration, Dior has rebranded into crypto. A moment to celebrate it. From on now all information will be added the crypto Wikipedia. Basics announced in 9/7/2018. Mainnet released the Graph network will be launching later this year. From this post by Token Tuesday, the Graph established a mechanism for query blockchain data on decentralized network starting with Ethereum. With the Graph, dev teams are no longer required to run operate centralized servers data queries and instead can trustless public infrastructure to easily exchange and query blockchain specific data from its block. Anyone can build and publish subgraph with a graph open. Anyone can build publish subgraphs with query with graph. Subgraphs makes it easy developers to build blockchain what Google does for research. The Graph does not blockchain. The Graph mission is not to be boosted service in proprietary, but eliminate the possibility for API servers and database becoming single point of failure and control. This why we building the Graphs network to create to open marketplace of index and curators that work together efficiently index and serve all the DeFi and Web3 decentralized way. History. At the last startup, the CEO founded and I started building dApps on Ethereum and realized the was not a decentralized way to index query data. DApps need a way to get transform data from underlying data sources. IPFS provided cheap storage and Ethereum enable automatic transactions. But data is really stored in format you can consume directly in your application. It was difficult to get data, the Power Web or mobile apps directly from Ethereum node. dApps developers were having a reinvent the wheel for each use case and build a custom block to handle data processing in their dApps. The situation was similar to beginning to internet when the people were building their own service C++. We decided to focus our efforts there no can helping to make building Web3 as accessible to anyone, and that's how was starting the Graph. We have working the Graph almost 3 years. Launch close 7/2020 $5 million tokens sale in multi-coin Coinbase, Venture, DTC Capital and others from their Telegram groups.